Namaste dosto, welcome to Pune. Today I'm taking you on a tour of this very old video game store. We're going to go and see what's available in the store, and then the owner's going to take us into his workshop and show us his retro collection as well. And I'm here to buy something too. I'm buying a Switch OLED model because I've never played Breath of the Wild and everybody tells me it's the greatest game ever made, so I've got to do that. So chalo, let's go and let's explore this very old game store here in Pune, India. भाई आपका मनपसंद गेम है
GTA 5.
अच्छा और दूसरे गेम खेलते हैं
Smackdown.
My favorite console is the PlayStation 5 and my favorite games GTA 5.
What about Xbox, bro? Do you like Xbox or a PS
No,
man?
PS.
Oh, PS fanboy, eh?
PS always, bro.
And I think Father of the Year award goes to this man. He's supporting his son's gaming, which is incredible. His console broke and his dad's here helping him out, so yeah, what a great dad. What a great dad. I think you guys know this, but I'm an Xbox fanboy. Hardcore Xbox fanboy. Always have been, grown up on Xbox. But I started off with the Super Nintendo and like WWF WrestleMania and what was my other favorite game? Oh, Street Fighter 2. That was my favorite game as a kid. The store is so busy. So people are coming here and a lot of people are selling their consoles to him and he'll resell them. And people are getting their consoles fixed as well. And it's all PS3s and Xbox Ones, like it's that generation. And so anyway, the owner has set me down with some vatapal. It's very famous Maharashtrian snacks. I'm just gonna eat this and then we're gonna have a chat. What's your store name?
It's Babu Video Games.
And who's Babu?
On me, myself, and Babu.
When did you start the store?
Long back, maybe more than 30 years back, Nintendo Game & Watch used to come.
So this must be like one of the earliest game stores in India.
Yeah. One of the oldest one.
And now today, what do you sell? What all?
I sell PS5, Nintendo OLED, Xbox Series X, Series S, anything in gaming.
Acha, and I noticed a lot of people buying PlayStation 3s and trading them in.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
That generation is still popular here.
Yeah, it's popular. Like even today, like people buy PS2.
Really?
Yeah, PS2.
Still buying PS2?
Yeah. I've got a very good collection for PS2 games also.
You can install a mod chip in them now.
Yeah.
So the games become cheap.
Yeah, they become very cheap. Yeah.
So that's the benefit of that.
Yeah.
And you have PlayStation 5, I see.
Yeah.
And Series X?
Yeah. PS2s lying over here.
Oh yeah. So show us everything you have then. So this is the PlayStation 2s. We've got Xbox 360s.
Yeah.
They look quite new.
Yeah. PS3s, PS4s.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
PlayStation 4 in here. And then we have PS5 and Series X up there. And today. So this is what I'm buying, G.
Yeah. It's up to you. You can take it as a gift also.
No way. I'll pay you full price.
No, it's okay.
I would like a Nintendo OLED. Why did you start a game store?
It was in my blood. Like I used to play a lot of Game & Watch, so I started with that.
Oh, as like a teenager, I guess.
Yeah.
And then the store did well and it kept going.
Yeah, very well, very good.
I've seen how busy it is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. And so what was the very first game console you sold here?
It was Nintendo Game & Watch.
Game & Watch?
Yeah.
What's that?
I'll show it. It's at my workshop.
Oh, okay, cool.
You aren't aware of Game & Watch?
No, I haven't heard. I started with Super Nintendo.
Before, much before Super Nintendo, then Game & Watch. I'll take you to my workshop, so you'll come to know more of it. Like,
yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
We're just going across to Babu's workshop now, and you're going to see where all the consoles are repaired. Oh, I love coming into workshops. It's awesome. So cool. Just check out Babu's workshop. From this massive wall of console parts, he can repair anything from the NES onwards. He's got a team of engineers working to repair, refurbish, and mod consoles. I love this. The cool thing is here in India, we still have these mom and pop run game stores. Babu literally lives on the floor below the workshop and his store is just across the road. He lives it, right? Where I'm from, such stores have been destroyed by big business. It feels good to be able to rock up to a gaming market in Delhi, Pune, or even across the border in Lahore and have a relationship with the store owner. Drink chai, eat vada pav, and get extra services like second-hand products, modding, and retro consoles. See, today when I set out, I just wanted to buy a Nintendo Switch. Then I saw Babu, I saw his store, and I said, let's make a video here, this is cool. And you can tell Babu is doing this firstly because he's passionate about gaming. And as a video game lover like me, I love finding places like this, but the way India is developing so quickly, it won't always be like this. So guys, relish these days and relationships while you can. And do you have any really old consoles here?
Yeah, I do have. You can comment, be safely.
You haven't tidied this room in 30 years.
Yeah. I started with these games.
Oh, you started with these games?
Yeah, the Nintendo, the handheld Nintendos.
Oh, yeah, I see.
I don't know, you're aware, are you aren't aware?
Yeah.
These are the SNES cartridges, a huge collection of SNES cartridges.
Oh gosh, wow. So you started here 30 years ago.
Yeah, on the Game Boy.
This is where it all started, in the storeroom out the back here. And the games just everywhere, wow. And do you sell any of these retro consoles?
No, I don't sell that. It's for
Not
my
anymore,
collection.
no?
Yeah, no. They do ask me, but I don't part with it.
Ah, okay, got it.
That's for PS5 for repair.
Ah, that one's getting repaired.
Yeah.
Man, the PS5 is so big. Look how chunky that thing is. It's ginormous. I'm just saying this to trigger all the PlayStation people watching. This is where you started.
Yep.
They're selling these and renting them out. How much did they cost to rent?
We used to rent for 1 rupee an hour.
1 rupee an hour.
Yeah, at that time, in 80s.
And people would take it home, or they would sit in your shop?
They used to take home, they used to sit at my shop.
Wow. This is the Nintendo Game & Watch. It launched in 1980, and each handheld had one game, and it could also function as a clock, hence the name. It's important because it was Nintendo's first successful video game product, and it helped establish them in the video game industry. They followed the Game & Watch up with the Game Boy, and the rest is history. Nintendo crushed it in the handheld market through the 80s, 90s, 2000s, and again today with the massively popular Switch that I'm about to buy soon. But first, there's a few more things to see in Babu's workshop. Duck Hunt. See, this is classic. This is a classic game. I used to play that too.
Even I've played Duck Hunt.
What's that?
It was
Even
fun.
I've played Duck Hunt.
Eh, my wife used to play a game.
Just Duck Hunt.
Duck Hunt, eh?
It was fun. Duck Hunt was very much fun.
Anyone can enjoy Duck Hunt,
Yeah.
to be honest. It's one of those games. Incredible collection of just Nintendo games. And these you'd rent out as well?
Yeah, we used to rent out.
These are all for
Zelda.
rent. Ah, this is your favorite series, I
Yeah.
think. This is history. When I look at these things, it just takes me back.
Yeah.
It's nostalgia.
Yeah, Mario 64.
So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now, G, I'd like Nintendo Switch OLED and Breath of the Wild.
It's for 28.
28? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Thank you, G.
Is it you are really buying it or like just?
No, really buying it, yeah.
Is it? Would you love to play it?
Yeah, I'm a gamer.
Really?
Yeah.
Or is it like you came to my shop, you took the video, so you want to buy it? Is it?
I literally came to buy a console today.
Okay.
And then I thought I'll make a video as well.
Okay. Okay, you can keep it.
No.
It's okay. I'm
नहीं, नहीं,
comfortable.
नहीं,
अरे
नहीं,
ठीक है,
नहीं।
कोई बात नहीं.
No. I always pay for everything wherever I go, whatever videos I make.
yeah,
I don't think you should give friends discounts. I think friends will always want to pay you full, no?
It's the best price, but still, like
It is the best price.
Yeah,
is the
it's
best
the
price.
best price. The best price. But whatever you feel like, you can keep it. Like
No. I can't. Thank you so much.
really,
Oh.
you can keep the money. No worries.
Bus.
I keep on selling it.
Bus. I'm going now. I'm going. Bye. Oh my God. So Babu is out of this world. Incredible. It's not often you meet someone so genuine in business. He is passionate about gaming. He loves those retro games that he owns. He was so proud to show us his home and then upstairs in his workshop. Such a genuine guy. And I hope you will all come to his store and meet him. Take a selfie with him, chat with him about gaming. Jai Hind.